Hi. So I just came home. Oh, something else is being delivered to my house. How exciting. So I just came home from having their Thanksgiving lunch. Hush! And my doTERRA box was on the doorstep. I'm super excited. It's the holiday collection, which I wake up at 4:45 in the morning, and on November 1st, I got onto doTERRA's website, and it was like already super crazy because everyone was ordering the holiday stuff. So I'm super excited. Okay, so a whole bunch of stuff. Oh my goodness, they packed it very interestingly. Okay, so where to begin? It's like Christmas. Okay, so here's a big old box. It's heavy. I don't know. I mean, it seriously is like Christmas. I'm not sure what all this, oh, I bet I know what this is. This is my laundry detergent. It is. I feel it. That's all right. We like the laundry detergent. Now listen, so the laundry detergent, a little bit goes a long way. So I do not fill up the whole cap. I do like half a cap because it's concentrated. You don't need to use a full cap. Plus, you know, it's not like it's super cheap. So, all right. Not super exciting, but it's importante. What is in this? I don't know. See, if I was a really nice mom, I'd wait until the girls get home, but I'm not. I gotta open it now and see what it is. Oh, this is exciting. This is my On Guard chocolate bark. Okay, spitting out my gum. Which I apologize. I should have done that already because I've listened to myself chewing gum on these and they're not very good. Okay, so this is the On Guard chocolate bark. Okay. It's dark chocolate, which I like. Okay. So, look, there's some cranberries, it looks like, and some nuts. I'm going to try. Taste it. That's interesting. That's a lot. Holy moly. Okay. I don't think, I tasted the On Guard. There it was. I don't know if I'd eat a whole one. I mean, who are we kidding? I will eat a whole one. Okay. So, oh, I see. Look, a little holiday ice. That was thoughtful. Okay. So, On Guard. So that's what's in here. I'm betting are my little chocolate barks. Oh, my signature aroma. This is something new too. So, holiday, I love the holiday collection. And they really, I mean, it's like my Williams-Sonoma hot chocolate. You can only get it a certain time of the year. And I've tried to hunt down my Williams-Sonoma hot chocolate via Amazon, like in January. You can't. So if you want to take advantage of this stuff, you need to take advantage of it now. Okay, so I like this because it's a cute little tote. And it's got holders, can you see, to put the rollers. Okay, so the first roller, again, holiday collection. You cannot buy this during the year. I mean, you know, I'm not in charge of doTERRA. They may change their mind. Okay, so this one is the Dream. See what it smells like? Okay, wait, I can't smell nothing. Let's put it on. Oh, that's pleasant. It's very light. It's like flowery, which you guys know how I feel about woodsy stuff. And then this next one is Radiant. Okay, put it out in a different part of my arm. I think I like that one better. Okay, so Dream and Radiant. You get both of these and you get a cool little tote that has room for you to, it's got 5 holes for you to put in the rollers, but then of course you can put in other stuff, which you guys know I don't wear makeup, so it'd just be rollers. Okay, so I did not get the elephant diffuser because my girls have the well diffusers, and really, I mean, you know, they don't need to get it. So, but what I did get was this new diffuser that looks like a speaker. Look at this thing. It looks like a speaker. And to be honest, the reason why I bought it was because I wanted this new essential oil because I love holiday peace and holiday joy. Like, they are my favorite, and I have purchased so many of them over the years. It's in excess. These are all my holiday peace and joys because I love them so much. And if I was nice, I would share, but I don't want to. I don't want to share. Okay, so here is, oh wait, that's not, It's the plug. Where's my stuff? Okay. Where's my spice, my holiday spice? Because that's what I want. Okay, clove. I got free product of the month. I've been sharing about all the wonderful benefits of cloves being product of the month for free. Here it is. Harvest spice, which you can currently only get with the diffuser. And really, I don't need any more diffusers, but I wanted this harvest spice. So, and I will find a home for that cool looking speaker. I love it. Oh, I can't wait to put this in. Harvest spice gathering blend. Oh my gosh, that smells fantastic. What's in here? Cinnamon, of course. Clove, of course. Eucalyptus. Cedarwood, nutmeg, and cinnamon. I said cinnamon twice. Oh, the casa. Okay. Yeah, so I like that. See, here's the holiday piece. I love that. That's what I have going on right now. And the holiday piece is going to be your Siberian fir, grapefruit, Douglas fir, Himalayan fir, I had to think about that, frankincense, and vetiver. See, that's why I like this, because I do love my woodsies. And then the holiday joy, which I also really like a whole bunch, is your Siberian fir again, wild orange, clove, cinnamon, cassia, Douglas fir, and vanilla. So all three of the holiday oils, I highly recommend. Okay, what's this? This is something new too. Hope you guys are enjoying watching me open up my Christmas gifts, essentially. They're so much fun. Okay. Oh, my mouthwash. I do recommend this. So I use the toothpaste, the On Guard toothpaste, and now the On Guard mouthwash. Okay, here are the doTERRA. I got these for Caroline. Here are the little doTERRA lip glosses. Aren't those cute? She's gonna love that. So I got her some of those. I got Mom some more Deep Blue. This has replaced her Tylenol 3. Her Tri-Ease, which has replaced her over-the-counter allergy medicine, which again, it's the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. So if you don't want to take the lemon, lavender, and peppermint every day, you can use the Tri-Ease. And then her Copaiba, which has replaced her Mucinex. And this is similar to CBD oil too. So if you need help with your central nervous system and pain relief, this Copaiba helps with that as well. Okay. And the last two things I got was the Balance Bath Bar, which I got the Balance deodorant, and I'm liking that just fine. And so I thought that the Balance bar might be enjoyable as well. Yep, smells like Balance. The Citrus Bliss bar is awesome. I highly recommend it. And then, okay, I got these little guys. I thought they were they're a little bit smaller than I thought. I thought they were gonna be size of like drink coasters. But what you do is if you didn't get that car diffuser, like I kept telling everybody about because it's super awesome, you could certainly get these, and these are quite affordable. I think it's like $12 for the two of them. So it's a good gift too. And you can they're the lava rock diffusers. So then you can just take a lava rock, put some essential oils on it, and then put it in your car or in your closet or in your bedside table or your drawers, or where, if you're at a cubicle and you can't use your diffuser because it might offend people, then you could put some essential oils on here. So that's what I got. I am super excited. Let me know if you have any questions. Take advantage of these collections, these products now, because not all of them will be available in January. And they sell out. And then you're just kind of out of luck. Okay, that's what I have. I hope everyone has a great day.